Hey guys, I'm Buck WSR Weezer.
We're here.
Putting the do into do-it-yourself. And it's time to put the do-it-yourself aside and enjoy vacation. Step number one, surround yourself with people you love. Put yourself out in beautiful country, beautiful nature. Sit back and enjoy. Let's get going. I can't open it. I'm okay. Close the gate.
You gotta hit the down and you gotta they go up and down.
Don't kill mother.
That side.
Fabio!
Oh, mom's the word.
Up, too bright.
And it's a beautiful day out here on the water. Oh yeah.
The sun won't be shining.
I need some sun.
We're gonna change
Sunshine.
Bye bye, Mr. Turtle. Wherever you are.
Here we go.
Yay.
You see,
Is that a pool or a deck? Is that a deck?
Yes.
Not a pool, right?
Not sure why you need a pool when you have this in your backyard or your front yard. But this isn't the way you would go to the other house, is it?
oh no, you wanna go that way?
Yeah. I mean, that's the way we always go.
Cruising.
Which way's the other house?
That way.
The other way.
Hey, El.
We'll go that way.
Oh, sorry, I shouldn't use your real name. Hi, Sarah.
You're not allowed to put the grass down?
No.
Really?
It's core property. They own it. You can't touch it.
It just grew
Yeah.
Yeah.
really nicely.
Our yard got burned out.
Well, for the DIY part of this video, I'm going to come alongside my brother-in-law to see if we can change out the propeller on this Yamaha 90 horsepower outboard motor. So we've got the prop up out of the water, and it looks like we've got a cotter pin and a castle nut. And that should be all there is to it. So since we're doing this with the boat still in the water, we got a floating catch pan, so when we drop our wrench, other tools or hardware, we don't have to fish them out from the bottom of the lake. So you can see that it's gotten kind of chewed up. So it just happens over time, I guess.
Yep, hitting stuff.
And yeah. So you have the new prop somewhere?
Oh.
I guess maybe we should start
we should start by bringing that down. Yep.
You want to see if I can fish that cotter pin off of there?
Yep.
All right. Pair of Dykes side cutting pliers might be what we need to get this off. Pretty sure we can reuse it. There we go. All right, that's him. Don't want to lose him. So what size do you think that castle nut is? I was guessing maybe 3/4. Maybe bigger than that. Yeah, I have to hunt around for the right size socket. So let me pause the video and we'll be back. So a block of wood will immobilize the prop. I don't know if I can get it with this adjustable wrench. Yup, I can.
Got it. Nice. There you go. Just move the other.
Here's that guy. And he slides off. So this guy seems to come out. It's a bearing of sorts and a plate and the prop. Sit on that side. And we have this thrust washer, I guess they call it, that also comes off. And we'll reuse that guy, right?
Yep.
So let's just clean it off with this rag. You didn't need this rag back, did you?
Nope. It is expendable.
Okay, so we gotta lube up this shaft and under the thrust washer, and we're going with Marine Grease 2-4-C. That's what they recommended at West Marine, so we'll take your word for it. I'm just gonna fill this cavity. And maybe just coat these splines with it. Are you supposed to touch this with your bare fingers? Or is my health completely compromised at this point?
It'll get you dirty, but
Ollie, so you have to keep your eye, you have to keep your head up. Come on.
That's why we need the rag. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit on this guy before we slide him back on.
Okay.
That's how it was, right?
yep, looks good.
There's a new prop. Looks pretty nice.
Come on.
Looks a little better. Notice the curve, the shape is better.
Yeah. That's that guy. Oh look, I got grease on our nice white.
Clean that off.
I think I might want to shoot some of that.
There.
That's pretty good.
Looks good.
And I want to put some in here too. I'd rather err on the generous side. Is it time for the castle nut?
I think so.
I was trying to look up the torque specs for the castle nut. Not that we have a torque wrench, because we don't. We don't even have a socket set. And it was like 40 to 45 foot-pounds, which is not really that tight. And even if you torque it to that specifically, if the hole in the shaft doesn't line up with the slots in the castle nut, you got to tighten it a little bit more anyway. So let's see if we can tighten it. Oops. Don't worry, wood floats. I need to tighten it a little, just a tad bit more, because there's a hole in the,
Yep.
So if I can get it a little bit more, I'll be happier. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Good and tight. Yep. Now I gotta go a little bit more. Just a tad more and I got it. Let's try that. Poots, I had a...
Here.
Oh, thanks. Didn't want to lose this guy.
What you doing?
Ask. Fishing knot. Fishing knot.
Yep. Okay, we got it. Matter which
There's
one.
a bunch of fish over there.
Yep.
Like big ones.
Hey, can you do me a favor, babe? I got blue pliers that are right in the middle of my toolbox, sticking up right at the handle.
These?
Yeah. Bring them over this way. Thanks.
Okay.
I'll get some bait to the side.
Maybe this is where a new one has the advantage of being nice and straight.
Straight. Putting in better.
There we go.
There you go. Ah, got it.
Anybody can do it with the right tools. Thanks. Oh, believe me, that's not coming out.
That's not going anywhere. Yeah.
That's it, right?
That's it.
The new prop's installed. All that remains is to fire it up and go enjoy our increased horsepower. Or not. Okay. And we didn't drop any tools into the lake. It's also a victory. There we go. That's great. So it's a that's definitely a DIY job within the reach of probably most people with basic tools, and hopefully that can be of help to someone. So you never put the DIY aside even when you're on vacation.
Yeah.
Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.